Okay, I need you guys to be at 0 inch. I'm going to pass your grammar test out and we are going to go over it. Go ahead and take one and pass it. Take one and pass it. And make sure poor Riley gets one at the end. Okay, so now you have a test. So should you be talking? No, you should not be talking. Okay. Yeah, I didn't mean to give you that one. Hey, listen. She's already done it. Okay, so I'm going to read the first paragraph to you. I can't read it unless you take one and pass it. Okay. Give me a thumbs up when you have yours and you're ready to go. So part A says, read the paragraph, then answer the questions. Last summer, I traveled to the state of Wyoming. My family and I visited Yellowstone National Park. We saw a herd of bison eating some grass in a meadow. We also spotted bears, foxes, moose, and eagles. I've never seen so many beautiful animals. Which word in sentence 3 is a collective noun? So if you remember, collective nouns mean like as a whole, right? Like I used the example of our class. So sentence 3 says, we saw a herd of bison eating some grass in a meadow. Is the collective noun in that sentence A, herd, B, bison, C, grass, or D, meadow? Don't tell me, just mark it. Number 2 says, which word in sentence 4 is an irregular plural noun? So we gave the example like child, children, tooth, teeth, right? So let's look at sentence 4. We also spotted bears, foxes, moose, and eagles. Is the irregular plural noun in that sentence F, bears, G, foxes, H, moose, or J, eagles? Make your choice. And then give me a thumbs up when you're ready to move on to part B. Eli, you might want to use your divider there. Okay, part B says read the student draft and look for revisions that need to be made. Raise your hand if you can tell me what revisions are. Chase, what are revisions? Yes, changes, corrections, right? So let's read, you can read along with me. Make sure you're tracking. I'm writing a school report on snakes. Snakes can range in size from just 4 inches to over 22 foot. Smaller snakes eat insects like ants or termites. Larger snakes can eat mammals like mouses, rats, and rabbits. Some snakes, like the water snake, even eat frogs and fish. What change, if any, should be made to sentence 2? Sentence 2 says snakes can range in size from just 4 inches to over 22 foot. Are we changing foot to feet? A says change foot to foot. B says change foot to feet. C says change foot to feet. Or D is make no change.
No.
Okay.
No.
Don't talk. Make your choice. Number 4 says, what change, if any, should be made to sentence 4? Larger snakes can eat mammals like mouses, rats, and rabbits? Are we changing mouses to mice? Are we changing rats to ratses? Are we changing rabbits to rabbitses? Makes no sense. Make your choice. Number 5 says, what change, if any, should be made to sentence 5? A, are we changing frogs to froggus? Changing fish to fishes? Are we changing fish to fishies? Make no change. Let's read sentence 5. Some snakes, like the water snake, even eat frogs and fish. Make your choice. Make sure your name and your mailbox number is at the top of that paper. And go put that in your mailbox.